Are your Word documents missing the headers and footers? Does the text go from one page to the next without any white space in between? In this video, I'll show you how to get your headers and footers back. This is Dave's Tech Rescue, where I solve your problems with computers, internet and technology. If you have a question you'd like to ask me, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss my next video where I might be answering your question. Today's question: I don't know what I pressed, but my document in Word is missing the header and footer areas. There's no gap between the end of one page and the beginning of the next. Well, there are two possible causes for this. First, you might be in the wrong view. So let's check that first. Click on the View menu at the top. There are several different views or layouts here to choose from. You're probably expecting to see the Print Layout view, so if Print Layout isn't already selected, then click on it. This might get your header and footer areas back straight away, but if it doesn't, there's a second possible cause: that you've hidden your white space. To go back to showing your white space, move your pointer onto the line between two pages. You'll see the pointer change to this kind of goalpost shape with an up and down arrow in it. You'll also see a tooltip saying double click to show white space, and that's exactly what we want. So when your pointer looks like this, double click the mouse. And now you should see the header and footer come back. Please let me know in the comments below how you got on, and if you found this video helpful, please give it the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this from me in future, click on my face below and hit the red subscribe button. And while you're here, why not check out one of my other videos? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.